Welcome back. So we're examining Bronsted Lowry theory of acid and bases. Now, um, Johannes Bronsted and Thomas Lowry both come together to formulate the theory of acids and bases. So in 1923, they described the an acid as a substance that donates proton in a proton transfer reaction. They describe the acid as a substance that donates proton in a proton transfer reaction. Now, this proton they are talking about that is being donated is actually H positive. That's hydrogen ion. This is the proton they are talking about here in a proton transfer reaction. So that's their description for acid. So now they describe a base as a substance that accepts proton in a proton transfer reaction. Note the difference. According to them, an acid is a substance that donates proton in a proton transfer reaction, while a base is a substance that accepts proton in a proton transfer reaction. So now this their description is what we refer to as Bronsted-Lowry theory of acids and bases. Bronsted-Lowry theory of acids and bases. So now, for example, let me show you an example in a proton transfer reaction. Okay, an example is the reaction between HCl plus H2O to yield H3O positive plus Cl negative. Now, if you look carefully, water became hydroxonium ion here. Water became hydroxonium ion here. Now you will notice that if look at hydrogen chloride, it became Cl negative here. So you will discover that it is this H here that actually merge with this water for hydroxonium ion to be formed. Are you getting it? Now, because it was water that accepts hydrogen, that accept that is proton to become hydroxonium ion here, water, definitely water is the base. Now, look at HCl. HCl was the one that lost the hydrogen and the proton for it to become Cl negative here. Can you see? So now that's how we identify it. So this HCl will be our acid according to Bronsted Lowry. So this HCl will be our acid. So that's that. So another example, which one can I give you again? Okay, the reaction between ethanoic acid CH3COOH plus NH3. Now look at this reaction. So what we have is this. Okay, what we have, let me write it down, reactant down. What we have is this CH3COO negative plus NH4 positive. Now look at it. CH3COOH before turned to CH3COO negative here, which means this CH3COOH has lost proton. So now this will be our acid because it is the one that actually lost proton. This will be our acid. So look at this one, NH3 became NH4 plus. So this NH3 because it was the one that gained that proton. Look at it, H3 here became H4 here. So this will be our base. So this will be Bronsted-Lowry acid. This will be Bronsted-Lowry base. Bronsted-Lowry acid, Bronsted-Lowry base. So that's that. Yes. So in summary, the Bronsted-Lowry acid Bl acid is a proton donor, while Bl base is a proton acceptor. As you can see in the reactions I gave you, anyone that donates proton and became reduced to, you can see like acid here, so that's the proton donor, while anyone that accepts the proton is a proton acceptor. So that's about Bronsted Lowry theory of acid and bases. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye.